Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about XDC and providing some very key levels of support and resistance that you need to be watching out for. So if you're new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So we have this very important support level at 2.78 cents. And if we go back to March of 2021, we can see how this was the level we turned around from this downtrend and started to make our way back up to new all-time highs. So following this initial all-time high at 4.5 cents, we turned around and we had a 40% correction in just the following 22 days. And this level here at 2.7 cents was the area we turned around and made a run on to new all-time highs. So currently we have this small bounce off of this level here. We would like to see this continue and maybe even we have some sort of double bottom pattern, but we want to see this level hold as support and then a trend continuation upwards towards this downward sloping resistance. And you can see how there has been some distinct lower highs being formed along this resistance level. The first one being in January of this year at around 11 cents, and then the next one being in April at around 6.8 cents. So in the event that we do bounce off of this support level and start making our way back up to this downward sloping trend line, we would like to see a break of this resistance area. And what that would look like is maybe some trend continuation over the next few weeks and then heading back up to this level. And then when we get to it, we would like to see a break above it, come down, hold it as support a few times, and then continue higher. And if we do this, then that would be a great sign that we're going to be bullish and we're going to start forming this new uptrend where we have a break of this longer term downtrend. And if we get something like this, then I would expect price action to start targeting these lower highs, such as the one made at 6.8 cents and then ultimately this one at 11 cents. If we have some sort of rejection off of it, however, where we come up and we have another rejection off of this resistance, then I would expect a continuation of this downtrend and eventually a retest of this key support level at 1.8 cents. So if I zoom out here, we can see how this was the all-time high in 2018, and this was the level of resistance that was not retested for another 1,029 days. So this is a very important level looking at the macro here, and if we have another resistance, another rejection off this resistance here around 5 cents as this is declining, then I would expect a retest of this and we would have some sort of dual support with this downward sloping support level and this all-time high from 2018. So in the event that we are making our way back down to this level, be it today or in a few months, I really do expect this to hold as support, considering how this was the all-time high in 2018 and a very important level of support to watch out for. So if you do see us make our way down to that level, I would get excited and maybe have some sort of trade where we would probably see some sort of bounce off of this level and maybe we even break this downward sloping resistance. That's the end of my XDC analysis. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or comments, please leave those below. I really do appreciate those. And as always, I will see you in the next one.